So let's take this question on Poisson distribution. The question goes thus. The number of accidents in a year along Ibadan Express Road follows a Poisson distribution. Thank God we are told that it's Poisson. But even if you are not even told that it's Poisson, you know that anything accident is what an example of Poisson distribution. So a number of accidents in a year along Ibadan Express Road follows a Poisson distribution with the mean 3. Full stop. Out of 1,000 vehicles, find the approximate number of vehicles with no accident. A question very, very vital to your health. Now, solution to this question is very, very simple. Solution. I told us one of the characteristics of Poisson is that our mean equals to lambda, which also is equals to what? Mu. But let's just use lambda. So the value of the mean we are given now in the question will now be 3. And they said we should, that 1,000 they gave to us is just to be left by the side. We're going to apply that figure later at the end of the question. Now, they said find the approximate number of vehicles with no means 0. So I will now say formula for lambda, the mass function is given by p into x, lambda raised to power x, e raised to power minus lambda, all over x factorial. So our x now is the question they asked us. Find the approximate number of vehicles with no accident. And I say when our x equals to 0, so let's put 0 anywhere you see x and put lambda to be 3. So p into 0 will now be, what's my lambda? 3 raised to power 0, x is 0, e is a constant, we call it two last constant, minus 3 because lambda is 3 all over 0 factorial. Now, if you know how to punch calculator, you punch. If you can't punch, see me personally. P into 0 will now be equal to 3 raised to power 0 is 1. You all know that. If you want to press your E, you are going to press shift. After pressing shift, you now press your lane, IN. When you press your IN for calculator, you show E. Then you press minus 3 as the power. When you press that correctly, you're going to have 0.049787 all over. When I press 0 factorial, I'm going to have 1. And don't forget that 1 times this divided by 1. Of course, 1 will cancel 1. So we're going to have this one left. So our P into 0 will now be equals to 0.049787. We are asked to find the approximate value. Are you with me? So I will now multiply figure by what? By 1,000. And if I multiply this by 1,000, I'm going to get 49.77, right? Then approximately now, it will now be what? 50. So the final answer is 50. That's the approximate value.